Ano ngayon dyan sabi dyan? Put into practice. So ano rin yung put into practice? It means we have to live an obedient heart. Sabihin nyo nga po, live an obedient heart. Alam nyo, ang importante rito, hindi yung patagalan, gaano tayo katagal na Kristiyano. Ang importante rito, gaano tayo ka-obedient sa pinapagawa ng Diyos sa atin. Live an obedient heart. Then, sabi rito, whatever you have learned or received or heard from me, or seen in me, sabi dyan, put into practice. Sabihin nyo nga po, put into practice. Hello. Sabihin nyo po sa katabi ninyo, put into practice. Put into practice. Tagalogin ninyo, ipamuhay mo. Ganyan. Malapit na po tayo. Sabi dyan, put into practice. Babalikan natin ngayon yung verse 7. Okay? When you put into practice, yun sabi and the peace of God, sabihin nyo nga po, and the peace of God will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus.